YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. All you gotta do is click the link, add this one to your cart. If not, see what other goodies they have to offer. They got for Prime Day deals going on right now, so definitely take advantage of that. And we're about to see what's inside and what they sent. So, here we go. Alright guys, we got rid of the one box, and now we have another box. Now this is something really cool. Something unique. Coming from ULTIMEA. The Apollo S60. Dolby Atmos. Dolby Vision 4.1. Immersive Sound 4.1. Immersive Verklang. Never heard of that one. That is new to me, so I gotta look that up. Bluetooth, HDMI, 4K HDR. Ooh. Now look at that. It splits up into two. So it's like a full soundbar, or you can have two speakers. Detachable design. This is something really cool. So a gift to yourself, gift to somebody. Birthdays, Christmas is coming, so you might want to start shopping now, especially with the Prime Day deals going on. Click on that link down below. Here we go. We're going to open it up, test it out, hear how it sounds. We'll just do non-copyrighted music, because movies and stuff like that, that's copyrighted, so I don't want to get a strike, you know. So it's all good though. Plant a tree with Ultima. Oh, that's pretty cool. Go green. So every product you get contributes growing. So anytime you guys purchase one, they grow trees. That's a good thing. Trees are good. We need it. We got the manual. Apollo. Send me to the moon any day of the week. I'll be ready. We got a cushy for protection. Ooh. This is different. Look how they got it set up for us. Got the two speakers already split apart. And you got the subwoofer. Oh, come on. Shut. Don't do this. Stay. And it's going to stay. Alright, we'll pull this out quick. Oh, of course not. Does it stay? Alright, we got these one. They're not too heavy. Got them. A subwoofer. Got the cord. Right there. Got the sub. Go boom, boom, boom. You know? Where is other good stuff? Aha. Down at the bottom. See? It's always at the bottom, the good stuff, you know? Oh, man. Hold on. Alright, took everything out. We got the two speakers that turns into a soundbar. We got the subwoofer. Woof, woof. Looking good. Speaker right here. Look at that. Shiny. Got their logo right there. Got their name right there. Got the portal right there. Or the ports. And now, another unboxing. This is probably the remote control, cords, HDMI, all that good stuff we need. Hold on. And jackpot. We got everything. HDMI. Optical. That's the right word. It's a good size length. We got the power and other cables right there. And we have here, must be a stand. Yep, it's a stand when you decide to have them separate speakers, or you can take it off and have it as a solid soundbar. So we got left and right there. We got these two right here. So we got two. We got the power. Yeah. We got, ooh, nice remote. So you got the AAA batteries, probably. You got Optical, HDN, eARC, aux, Bluetooth. We're going to test out the Bluetooth just because I think I'm going to set this up in my room. So that means I got to take out the old one. Mounting brackets for the soundbar. Is that it? Yep. Nothing in here. Nothing down here. There we go. So we got another. Them two. So you get hooked up with everything you need to go. You know, make it a movie night at home. Watch some wrestling, sports. Stanley Cup Finals Game 7 coming up Monday night. If you order it today, you should get it by then. Good things. Now let's take a look at these speakers. Oh yeah. Here's the front. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, this might be my permanent one. It all depends on how it sounds. I'm definitely gonna upgrade time. So we'll do it this way. Doesn't matter which way it goes. Oh boy. And now we have it, the towers. That's pretty cool. And like there's a slot for the wall mount. Right there. That is really cool. And now we're gonna switch it back to soundbar mode. Bam! And definitely can watch Beverly Hills Cop, Axel Foley coming out. Netflix, a lot of. It's heavier with the soundbar like that, I noticed. But like I said, if you mount it on the wall, you should be good to go. But it does have some weight to it. Ugh. But really cool. And it's easy to put together. So this took me 2 seconds. And bam. Now you got a big bar. We're going to test it out this way and then flip it to the other way. I got to grab my tablet. Okay, this is an important thing I should show you. With these cables, oh man. These cables right here, I was going to say once you put the soundbar like this, you're going to want to put this cable and connect those two together. And then once you use them as the towers, you're going to use this cable. So make sure you have these in hand. So, but for now, we're going to be connecting these like this. We're going to bridge it like that. And 1 sec. And there we go. So you have it there and there. Looks like a bridge. And here we got the power. Boom. Very nice. Brand new batteries. Hold on. There we go. Wow, that was a nice digital. Yeah, this is definitely going to be my permanent ERK. Am I getting the right IR frequency? There we go. I got a Bluetooth. Let me grab my tablet. And we know how to search pair new device. Should pop up Apollo and pair.
Connected.
There we go. That's how easy it is to connect to the app, or not the app, but to your tablets or whatnot, cell phones, smartphones, projectors. What is YouTube? Here we are. Hold on, because I gotta make sure the ads don't pop up. Here we go at mid volume, kind of. Whoa, that sounds good. That sounds nice, guys. Definitely check them out. ULTIMEA. Links down below. Apollo S40, I do believe. And we're going to switch it to tower mode. Alright, guys, we are back. We got the tower of power. This is a nice shot right there.
But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go.
There we go. I just had it plugged in the wrong way. Now both of them are working. Alright. We are good. Sounds good, guys. I just gotta keep it down. Be safe. Have a good night.